This is a quick video to show you how to do number webs. It's a really good way of using numbers on paper or a whiteboard, really quick and easy. Ordering numbers, number formation, you can use it 1 to 5, 1 to 10, you can use times tables, lots of different ways. So I'm just going to show you a very quick way. So as you can see, as an adult, I've wrote some numbers onto some paper. I want to ask the child to find me number 1. So hopefully they'll be able to find number 1 and they'll circle it. What I want them to do is create a web. So where is number 2? Can you find number 2? Oh, there it is. So you want them to draw number 2. What's next? And by asking them rather than telling them that's the next one, depending on what step the child's at, it will help them order those numbers for you. So hopefully they'll say number 3, and again number 4. And we're creating a web. Lots of different shapes and things that you can create with this, so it's really down to however you want to set it up. What number's next? Yeah, you're right, it's 5, but I haven't got 5, so what we're going to do. So at this point I've purposely left out a number, so the children have to really think about it, and then they can do their formation for you. At that point you can talk about how you form that number, or you can just help them write it if they're unable to. But the spotting and knowing that there's one missing is a really key activity that can be really useful. So what's the next number? 6, and so on. So this is just one way that you can do it, and I would ask them to do a start and an end point. You can get them to circle all of them, but as you can see, it is a bit of a web. Now, the other ideas that you can do is put all the numbers. Like I said, you can already get all of them down for you, and this one we did 10 down to 1. So again, numbers in a completely different order. You can do this time and time again. Paper, book, whiteboard, chalks outside, however you feel it works. And this one, like I said, get the children to write the numbers for you. So this one is a times table one. So the child has thought about their 2s, or adding on in 2s if you want to do it so that it's not a times, just think about our 2s. And you can see the child has not only just wrote the numbers, but they've also joined them up. Again, a completely different shape. You can work on the formation. This one's counting in 5s, or the 5 times table, and again slightly different. And you can see where the child here has done their letters and realised they've made a mistake, so instantly they're practicing their formation, thinking about the number of orders of the number that comes next, ordering those numbers. So it's a really helpful activity.